Grandpa.
Mom knows it is. This is gonna be hard.
Oh, I was wrong. Look at
Yay! Oh. Hey, can you help me with mine? Dad. Is it a pen? Somebody. This pen's upside down. No, it's not. What is it? Ah! A can? Megan, look at a candy toy maker.
a clicker licker.
And you can blow out of it.
Oh yeah, it looks like a whistle too. See, look back.
Rebecca has one too. Rebecca has
There's some little other present in here, guys.
There is?
Yeah.
Oh, candy canes. Little candy canes. Megan, get that present out. The green one.
Whoa, look at that.
Here, you get this off.
You got money back.
What? Thank you.
Robert.
Just kidding.
You guys can put that in your,
Just kidding.
you can put that in your piggy bank and save it up
And
for something
Mom,
else.
look at
Here,
this.
babe. Here.
Oh, this is the Hingle.
Erica?
Yeah.
Can I eat this too? Look at the candy stuff. Wow, look at it.
Hey, there's a present right here for Megan and Erica from Aunt Julie.
Let's go, Megan. Let's open up this.
Megan and Erica from Aunt Julie.
Megan.
Megan.
What is this? Eat it. Flip it over, flip it over, flip it over, flip it over. A Princess Bake Oven! You got all the pages and... Okay. You want to hear this? I love Rebecca. I do, I do. I love you too. Thank you, Grandma and Grandpa, for my CD story. I'll listen to it today. Thank you, Grandma and Grandpa, for the book.
What do you like about the book?
That is me and my stickers in there. Thank you, Aunt Julie, for the oven. We're gonna make stuff with it today.
Oh, you think you are? No, you're not.
We are.
You are? Well, Megan's not. Megan, you're not going to make anything today, are you?
Yes, I am.
Well, what do you want to make? Megan?
I'm gonna make some pancakes.
I don't know if you can make pancakes.
What are you going to make, E?
I don't know.
Here, give me that paper.